Hello everyone, welcome to Coding Tuts. If you are satisfied with my videos, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you know when updates are available. On this lesson, I will be teaching you how to apply radial gradients. I start off with these 4 gray boxes. First thing I'm going to add is an ellipse radial. I'm going to copy this class. Nice. I decided to adjust the percentage of the yellow so that you can see the ellipse shape. Okay. So this is how you apply a radial gradient. You first add the innermost color to the outermost color. And of course you can adjust the percentages on how much yellow or how much red you would like to add to it. Okay, now let's move on to circle. You first apply on how you want your gradient to look like, circle or ellipse. Let's do red and yellow again. And there's your circle. I can also add a partial circle. By adding radial gradient. It's going to be circle for this side at the left bottom, x and y axes. We'll add red, yellow, and cyan. Nice. So partial circle, radial gradient. I wanted it to be in a circle. Farthest side at the left bottom. Then starts off with the most inner color to the outermost color in order. Okay, and that is partial circle. I like to copy classes, that way there won't be any typos or misspellings. Now I will do a repeated radial gradient. Let's go with percent. Okay, I would also like to add transparency here. Let's go with anything. Let's do 0. Nice. I like. Let's add a slight grade to it. Let's add something like when all numbers are the same, it's a gray. And let's add 0.3. Oh, too much. Right. 1. Nice, nice. Let's add 20. See what that looks like. I'm having fun with this. How about a 10? Looks the same. See what happens if I put in my editor. Okay. So this is how you add radial gradients. This is from ellipse to circle to partial circle to multiple stops in a radial gradient and repeating gradient, similar to a linear gradient as I've taught in the last video. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to type it up in the comment section below. And I will talk to you in the next video. Take care.